Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use Miosit to shorten your line URLs and much more. Let's get started. First, go to miosit.com and you'll land on the homepage. Miosit is an amazing platform that lets you shorten line URLs, generate QR codes and create biography and landing pages. One of the wonderful features of Miosit is that it allows you to personalize all elements based on user geolocation and the device type they use. To get started with Miosit, you need to sign up first. You can sign up for free by clicking on Sign Up Free. Miosit has different pricing plans in pricing page that are very affordable. You can also get a lifetime free plan, as well as a special anonymous crypto payments plan. There's also a popular plan, the Core plan, which costs $6 per month. Additionally, there's a Grow plan for $20 per month and a full accessibility plan for $29 per month. Each plan offers more features and allows you to create more links. Even with the free version, you can click on Upgrade to sign up. Let's sign up using our Google account. After the initial sign up, you'll be taken to Mio's dashboard. Here we can see various sections. The URL shortener section, where you can create new links and see the previous ones in the below section. Also, you can check their quick performance in recent activity tab. In left sidebar, we got three important elements: QR code, bio page, and a statistic, which is a new feature that allows you to create your own personalized QR codes. And the bio page option that you can create your own web page and customize a lot of elements in it. And the statistic showcase contain all your link activity and statistics chart. There are also campaigns, CTA overlays and splash options that let you organize your link with so many third-party features. In the shortening section, enter your expanded URL, which will serve as your destination. This can be any link, such as a video, blog, or website link. For example, I'm going to find an article on 99 Design blog. You see that the URL for this article is quite long. I'll copy the expanded link and paste it into Miosit. Next, click on the Adjust icon to add a custom alias name for your shortened URL. You also need to choose the redirect type. Each type offers different features. You can organize your link by adding it to a channel or restrict access by adding a password. An interesting feature of Miosit is its ability to customize link further. By clicking Customize, you can access a variety of features like geo-targeting, deep linking to force users to download your application from the App Store or Google Play, language and device targeting, and the option for setting expiration time and parameters for your link. With Miosit, your link becomes smart links. I'm going to click Customize and add a meta tag to my link. This includes a meta title and meta description, which apps can use to show information about your link. I also add a custom title and set a geo rule for my link. For example, if users from Mexico click on my link, they will be redirected to a different destination. This geo-targeting allows you to direct traffic from all around the world to a specific destination. After clicking Shorten, a pop-up will display my shortened link and QR code, which I can easily share using the share buttons or by copying and pasting the link anywhere I want. Miosit also offers many tools, such as CTA overlays, splash pages, and campaigns, which let you use interesting features to promote your product or business. We'll discuss these tools in further videos, so be sure to check the links in the description.